A recession is simply a period of economic decline that is typically characterized by a decrease in GDP and rising unemployment rates. They can be caused by a variety of factors, such as a decrease in consumer spending, a drop in investment, or external shocks such as natural disasters or global crisis. During a recession, it can be likened to the economy having a fever and requiring time to recover. In addition to the obvious financial impact, recessions can also have significant social and political implications. High unemployment rates and reduced economic opportunities can lead to higher poverty rates and increased social inequality. This can cause political instability and social unrest. During a recession, governments may implement various policies to try and mitigate the impact on the economy and society. They may increase spending on social welfare programs or implement tax cuts to stimulate consumer spending. However, these policies can also lead to increased government debt and deficits, which can have long-term consequences for the economy. Furthermore, the impact of a recession can be felt differently across different socio-economic groups. Low-income households and minority communities may be disproportionately affected, as they often have less access to financial resources and job opportunities. This only makes worse the existing social and economic inequalities we already have. So, what can you do to prepare for a recession? One important step is to have an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. This can help you to weather the storm if you lose your job or experience a decrease in income. Another important step is to pay off high-interest debt and prioritize saving over spending. This can help you build up your savings and reduce your financial stress. Investing during a recession can be a risky strategy, but for some investors, it's paid off handsomely. Warren Buffett is one famous example. He made his fortune by investing in undervalued companies during market downturns. During the 2008 financial crisis, he invested billions of dollars in companies such as Goldman Sachs and General Electric when their share prices were at historic lows. As the economy recovered, these investments proved to be very lucrative for him and his company, Berkshire Hathaway. Recessions can present opportunities for investors who are able to identify undervalued assets and hold on to them until the market recovers. However, of course, it is important to note that investing during a recession can be risky, and it's not a guaranteed path to wealth. It requires careful research, a long-term investment horizon, and willingness to withstand short-term volatility in the market.